How to fix Instagram Reels not uploading. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna help you fix your Instagram Reels not uploading. So if that's the case, we will try a few very simple troubleshooting steps and also some advanced solutions. So let me first tell you guys what the fast and general troubleshoots are. First is restarting your device. So you can also restart your app. So let's say that you've opened up your app, simply swipe up from the bottom and swipe it up. Remove it from the background. After that, restart your entire device. Press on the volume up button and power button together. You'll find the restart option, tap on it and restart your device. After you've done that, make sure you're not connected to a poor or unstable internet connection. So just connect to a strong Wi-Fi, or you can switch between mobile data as well. After you've done that, and after your mobile starts, after your app starts, and you're connected to a good internet connection, check if your problem has been fixed. If not, try to log out and log back in. And even after that, if it does not work, we will now move on to some more better steps. Head over to your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if there is an update available. If there is, update the app, since using an outdated app version can cause some compatibility issues, and also there can be some bugs in the older version. So after you've updated the app, you can then go to your go to your device's settings, then go to apps. What we're doing here is trying to clear out the cache of the Instagram app itself. So search for Instagram app on the apps section, then open it up. Head over to storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache to clear out any corrupted temporary files or data that might be present. After that, you can then go back and make sure that you have enough storage available on your device as well. Now, if you're uploading a pre-rendered video, ensure it is in a compatible format, that is MP4. Also, if there is any compression, make sure that it is H.264 codec and not any incompatible versions. And after that, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.